it's similar to this one I just talked about. This, you play this like this. It's similar but different, different inversions, and it sounds a little bit different. So what did I do there? Same chord, 1 4 5 chord. Now these are all ways you can play instead of playing the 1 instead of playing that way. So what I did is so the right hand plays first, left hand follows. The 1 chord, then the right hand plays the 4 chord, left hand 5 chord. So from beginning, 1 1 4 5 5 4 1 1. So the right hand and the left hand are not playing the same thing except for the 1. So 1 1 4 5 5 right hand, 4 left hand, back to 1. So when you play everything, it goes like this. So you can use any versions of the 5 chord. So I'll just play it double times. So let's see how that goes with the beat. Yes, I call you in. Yes, I call you in. You in. Yes, I call you in.